Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In today's video, we'll be discussing an essential financial topic, how to start an emergency fund, specifically focusing on the Recession edition. As we all know, financial stability is crucial, especially during uncertain economic times. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why having an emergency fund is a vital and practical step to get started. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand why an emergency fund is even more crucial during a recession. In times of economic downturn, job security and financial stability become more uncertain. Having an emergency fund acts as a safety net to protect you from unexpected expenses and income disruptions. Here are 3 reasons why an emergency fund matters during a recession. First, it serves as a cushion against job loss. During a recession, the risk of layoffs and unemployment increases. Having an emergency fund provides the financial support you need during a period of job loss, helping you cover essential expenses while you search for new employment. Second, an emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses. Recessions often coincide with increased expenses or unexpected financial burdens. Whether it's a medical emergency, a car repair, or a home repair, an emergency fund ensures you have the funds to cover these unforeseen costs without resorting to debt. Lastly, an emergency fund provides peace of mind and reduces stress. Financial security lowers stress levels and allows you to focus on long-term goals. Knowing that you have a safety net in place provides a sense of security, even in uncertain times. Now that we understand the importance of having an emergency fund during a recession, let's explore the practical steps to build one. Follow these guidelines to get started. The first step is to define your emergency fund goal. Set a specific target for your emergency fund, typically aiming for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. However, your personal circumstances might require a higher or lower target. The key is to have a goal that provides you with sufficient financial protection during a recession. Next, create a budget and cut expenses. Creating a budget is essential to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce unnecessary spending and redirect those savings towards your emergency fund. Every dollar you save brings you closer to your goal. Automating savings is another crucial step. By setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck or checking account to your emergency fund, you ensure consistent contributions. Automating your savings helps you stay on track and prevents you from using those funds for other purposes. Additionally, explore additional income sources. Consider taking on side hustles or part-time jobs to accelerate the growth of your emergency fund. During a recession, opportunities for extra income may arise, so keep an eye out for potential ways to boost your earnings. Lastly, choose the right savings account. Select a high-yield savings account that offers competitive interest rates. Take into consideration factors like accessibility and fees when choosing a bank for your emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is an ongoing process, and staying committed during a recession can be challenging. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. First, stay disciplined. Consistency is key when contributing to your emergency fund. Make it a priority, even during tough financial times. Small contributions can add up over time and make a significant difference when you need them most. Second, reevaluate and adjust. Periodically review your emergency fund goal and adjust it if necessary. As your financial situation changes, your target amount may need to be updated. Regularly assess your progress and make any necessary adjustments to stay aligned with your goals. In conclusion, starting an emergency fund during a recession is a wise financial decision. It provides a safety net, protects you from unexpected expenses and income disruptions, and offers peace of mind during challenging times. By following the practical steps we discussed, you can begin building your emergency fund. Building an emergency fund takes time and effort, but the security it provides is invaluable. Start taking action today, and you'll be on your way to financial stability and peace of mind. Thank you for watching our video on how to start an emergency fund, Recession Edition. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and advice. That wraps up today's video. We hope you found the information valuable and feel empowered to take control of your financial future. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Remember, it's never too late to start building your emergency fund. Stay safe, stay prepared, and until next time, take care.